2008 Subaru WRX. What we got done on it for you guys. It's a turbo, 2.5. Got a manifold converter there. Secondary converter there. Kept the original resonator that we're gonna do a startup on in a minute and see, we might be taking it off too. Taking it off too. It's got we put two aftermarket mufflers on it, Amazon mufflers. We'll get you guys the link for them in the description, right there. 2 1/4 inlet, 4-inch outlet, blue flame, right there, right there. There's the 2 straight pipes that was on it before that we cut off. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And we took the silencers off. I don't know where he put them, but yeah. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. What do you guys think of the sound? There's sound decibels again. About 92. Let me get the custom. It's only like 90. You want it louder? About 110. 105, 110. Again? Again? That's the customer revving it, guys. Again? It's right at 98, bro. So as you guys can see, it's back on the lift. Round 2. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then we took the resonator off right there. And still have the eBay mufflers there and there. So there'll be a link in the description for them. There's the resonator we just cut off right there. So it was like right at 98 when he really gunned it. Let's see what he sounds like now. We'll let you guys hear it in a second.